Dear students, the next topic of module 4 in this video we are going to study is signal API and signal mask. Here two topics we will be studying in this video, signal API and signal mask. So let us see what is signal API. So the signal API is nothing but the prototype which is used to generate a signal. So what is the prototype of the signal API is void star signal integer sig underscore number comma void star handler int and close the bracket and again it is int, and all will be defined in signal.h header file. Now here two arguments. Signal API has two arguments. One is sig underscore number and another is handler. So sig underscore number is nothing but the signal name. The signal name like sig int or sig term, signal interrupt and signal termination. So like this only sig number can have so many values or so many names. So that is the based on the signal number, the action will be taken by the signal. Next argument, it is a handler. It is also called the user defined function and it is also called signal handler function. So whenever signal is received by a process and suppose process can generate a signal handler function which will catch the signal. So this star handler, it is actually a pointer which will hold the address of the signal handler function. That's what it is telling in this explanation. The formal argument means this one, sig underscore number. The formal argument of the API or sig underscore number is a signal identifier like sig int or sig term. So this is nothing but its value can be sig int or sig term. The signal handler, the handler argument is the function pointer of a user defined signal handler function. So this is a pointer which holds the address of user defined signal handler function. Next, the following example attempts to catch the sig term signal, ignores the sig int signal and accept the default action of sig ACGV signal. So according to the instruction, we should write a program which will catch the sig term signal and it will ignore the sig int signal and it will accept the default action of sig segment value signal. Here three signals are there and for each three signal different action need to be taken. So for that we have to write the program. For example, hash include iostream.h, hash include signal.h. Now every C program will start from the main function. So in the main function we are calling a function called signal and we are passing two parameters sig term comma catch signal, and here catch signal where signal is again defined here. Here this signal is a calling function, it is a call function or defined here is this one, signal signum comma catch sig. So here signum will be copied by sig term, so that sig term will go. Next catch signal is nothing but again catch signal, here it is defined function within the function. So this catch signal, it has a parameter sig underscore num. What is sig underscore num? Sig term. So sig term will be called. So catch signal is signum What is signum? Signum is nothing but sig term. So it will uh, uh, here that sig term will be caught according to the instruction. This is what the instruction is telling. Sig term signal need to be caught. Catch the sig term. So here using this sig term will be caught and it will be displayed here. That signal number is caught. Next calling function is sig int, and we are passing the second argument sig ign, ignore. So the signal name is sig int. So it will call here signal number is sig interrupt, and catch signal is nothing but it will call this function catch signal, and integer signum. What is signum here? Signal is signal interrupt. So again catch signum will be caught, and it will be here ign, it will be ignored. It will be ignored. This signal sig int will be ignored. See, using the sig ign parameter. Next is it ignores the sig int signal and accepts the default action of segment v. So signal sig segment v comma sig underscore dfl. So it will call the signal here sig segment value. Here first parameter will be copied with sig segment value, and another is sig underscore default value. So it will call this one sig segment value and it here. So the default value of the signal means this signal will be interrupted or it will be killed, and then pause. So according to this instruction, all the this program is written. Means sig term signal need to be caught. So corresponding to sig term, the second argument is catch underscore signal, and sig int signal need to be ignored. So for sig int we are assigning sig underscore ign. Next one sig segment value, this signal need to be taken the default action. So sig underscore default value, and then pause. We are pausing. So this is called the signal handler function. User defined signal handler function, and this is main function. And wait for signal interruption. This pause is used to wait for the signal interruption. That's what it is telling. The sig underscore ign specifies a signal is to be ignored. This second argument, it specifies that signal, which signal sig int need to be ignored. Which means if the signal is generated to the process, it will be discarded without any interruption of the process. If it will be provided to the process will discard it. And sig dfl specifies to accept the default action of signal. So here default action of signal is taken place. Next one is signal mask. What is signal mask? It is a collection of signals that are currently blocked is called the signal mask. As in the previous slides, we studied that when signals will be sent to a process, the process can make the signals wait, or it can block the signal. It can block the signal. So suppose a set of signals are blocked for a process. So those set of blocked signals